Hello friends, good morning. Today I want to give you information about one share which can give you 30% return within 6 months or 1 year. If you want to invest some fund for short term purpose, you can consider this share to get 30% return on your investment within 1 year. Yes, this share is a manufacturer of specialty chemical, and the company has already running 3 sites in India, and the expansion plan includes it has purchased 4 sites in India, and the greenfield project which is in its expansion plan is already began in 2024 financial year. So you can consider this company for short term purpose. The share price of company is running at rupees 851, and promoters holding is 81% in this company, and foreign institutional investor also holding some percentage in this share. And the main thing of this company is the company is already debt free. The company has very low debt, and the company's has no debt, and the company's return on equity is 15%, return on capital employed is 18%, and the profit growth is 28%, and the sales growth is 19%. So from all perspective, this company is very good and you consider for short term investment. The company export its a specialty chemical to 21 countries. That includes Italy, Spain, Germany, and United States, and other country also. So this company, from the perspective of short term, to get 30% return on your investment, you can invest in this company. The main thing is that company is already debt free, and the promoters holding is very high, 81%. That also shows confidence of the promoter in this company. And the book value also is 154, and the price of the running of the price is 851, and the name of the company is Ather Industry Limited. Yes, AETHER, Ather Industry Limited, which is running at rupees 851. You can invest in this share. It has already some planning to expand its volume of quantity, volume of business, and it has already started construction of that project in financial year 23-24, and the target is to complete by financial year 2024. So within 1 year you can get, because my target of 1 year is near about 1200. So at this stage, if you invest in this share, you can get 30% return on this investment within 1 year. So from all point of view, this company is fundamentally very strong, very good, and the product of the company is already export to 21 countries. So there is no chance of any downturn of the share. So you can invest in this share. You can consider for short term. You can get 30% return on your investment. Ather Industry Limited. Okay.